Four things of telephone poles going by. Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to the train channel. You just saw a CSX. You just saw here is a CSX mixed manifest freight train coming, and it's going slow right now. Got some more trash containers going by. I didn't get the I seen two CSX trains, but I didn't get neither one of them on camera. Well, one was the 634, and one is the I-157. I was thinking it was a 158, but it was a 157. Looks like it's gotta be a mixed freight and a bunch of garbage, lots of trash containers going by. Lots of them here. Lots of garbage containers going by here. It's gotta be the M3 something, because I know they got some new symbols on the CSX trains. I don't think it's not the M634. No, it's gotta be the M3 something. And there's the end. That's kind of rare. We're getting green trash containers on a CSX train going towards Erie or going towards New York. That's kind of rare. Alright, go find them. We're gonna be live streaming, by the way, at 12:30 and 7:30 tonight, right here on the train channel. Alright. I think someone on that. Yeah, someone on that train you've seen is a CSX M something on this Tuesday, February 18th, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. It's kind of rare they put. That's kind of rare. They got the manifest up front, and then those green trash containers through all the way till the end. And everything else was the garbage, those green trash containers all the way till the end. So, all right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train. I think I just heard before I got on camera, there's a Norfolk Southern train is coming. So as that train comes by, we'll get back on. Talk to you later.